I'm with the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety. We're a nonprofit organization that's sponsored by the property insurance industry. Our mission is to mitigate risk by helping people to build stronger structures, to retrofit when they have that opportunity, renovate their buildings, make them stronger. Also make sure that they maintain things properly so that they avoid disaster losses. And in the case of businesses, and for that matter homeowners, that they're ready with a continuity plan so that they can stay in business if they're a business, or that their home and family can remain nourished and all those other important things. We recently engaged in a strategic planning process that was related to a brand new state-of-the-art laboratory that we've built in South Carolina. The laboratory allows for the testing of homes and business structures, 1 and 2 stories, against the perils of winds up to a 140-mile-per-hour hurricane, water intrusion that often comes from hurricanes or severe storms up to 9 inches an hour, wildfire, and hail. And as we were beginning the process of thinking about how can we take the research from our laboratory and have it make a difference, we developed a 3-year strategic plan. And that, in essence, was the way that I described a plan for the future in talking to the Disaster Roundtable today. Our 3-year plan, although I called it 3 stages today because some of these will take longer and will be starting at different times, are year 1 or stage 1, get people to pay attention. That means that they have to even be aware that there's a problem. In the case of our organization, gee, someone out there is doing testing and showing me how to make my home stronger. Just that they're even aware of it is getting people to pay attention. Year 2 is getting them to change their minds, to begin the process of having them value mitigation more than the granite countertop, or value the fire sprinkler more than the lawn sprinkler, and so on and so on. Lots of examples. We're going to be focusing our attention next year on getting people to put in a stronger roof, whether they're building or whether they're re-roofing, making sure that their roof is better protected against the many perils that in fact affect a roof, whether it's wind, whether it's water, whether it's winter weather, snow and ice, and so forth. So by using that very salient example, we want to start people changing their minds. And ultimately, year 3 or stage 3 for us is transformation. Having the understanding that people have translated into public policy initiatives, stronger building codes, having them really demand at a systemic level that builders are building more strongly, having businesses understand that having a business continuity plan is really essential to their bottom line. It's just not a little bit of fluff. So by doing these things, we hope ultimately to transform the way that our society not only understands risks, but the actions that it takes. And it seemed to me today that the panel that I was on was a good way for starting that dialogue. Thank you.